Good morning, class. This week we are on lesson 27. This is the same format as last week's assignment. It's a response to literature. So this week you're going to be reading Goliath's Challenge from lesson 27. So to start with, the first step after you've read that is the story sequence chart. And the story sequence chart, remember, what is the purpose of the story sequence chart? We're going to summarize the story. Using this model, it's just one paragraph that we do that in. So it has to be brief. Even though it's brief, make sure all the points are in there from the story sequence chart. So first, we have the characters and the setting. Make sure you can identify the characters and the setting in this paragraph. Let's brainstorm. We've got the Israelites, the Philistines, David, Goliath. There's a valley. They're in the mountains. There's a battle. Make sure you have the main characters and the setting. What's next? We have the problem and the conflict. What was the problem or the conflict? Well, Goliath was a problem, but the Israelites were afraid. They needed someone to help them, someone to fight against Goliath. Make sure that you can find characters in the setting in the first paragraph, problem and the conflict, then the climax and the resolution. The climax, what builds up to this? Who do they get? What happens as they try to find him? Who is he? What does he do? And what is the result? So this is number 2 on your outline. So make sure you have a summary, a brief summary, but make sure all these points are in there. Go through, check. Who are the characters? Have I identified the setting? What's the problem? What's the conflict? What's the climax? Where does it build up? And then what is the resolution?